Now we'll see about the hiatus hernia. This is the second disease of esophagus which we'll discuss now. Hiatus hernia. Hiatus hernia is the protrusion of the part of stomach through the esophageal opening. It is the protrusion of a part of stomach through the esophageal opening into the diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. As you know, in the diaphragm, it is a sufficient opening to pass esophagus into the abdominal cavity. But in some condition, this esophageal opening into the diaphragm, see in the diaphragm this much opening, this is the sufficient to pass the esophagus into the diaphragm. But in some condition, this opening become enlarged and the part of the stomach bulge through this opening. This is called hernia. This is called hernia. Hernia means a protrusion of parts through an abnormal opening. So here this is the abnormal opening where it occurs. The abnormal opening occurs into the diaphragm. Diaphragmatic opening through which esophagus enters into the abdominal cavity, it becomes enlarged. See, this opening become enlarged and through which the part of the stomach bulges and enters into the thoracic cavity. See, this bulges due to the increased abdominal pressure. The part of the stomach bulges into the thoracic cavity. This is called hernia. Hiatus hernia. It may be into the stomach or it may be into the esophagus here, like this. This is the bulging. This is the bulging. This is called hernia. So now you may understood about the hernia. This is the protrusion of the part of stomach through the esophageal opening into the diaphragm. This is the diaphragm, opening of the diaphragm and protrusion of the part of stomach. This is called hernia. This is the hiatus hernia.